Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max, and today we're going to explore Waterfox, a free anti-detect browser built on the open-source Mozilla platform. It's designed for secure web browsing and allows you to configure proxy servers for top-notch data protection and anonymous browsing. Waterfox comes packed with a range of handy and unique features to enhance your browsing experience. Waterfox Add-ons Catalog offers a large library of extensions and themes, allowing you to add extra functionalities and customize Waterfox to reflect your needs and personality. A built-in QR code reader for Android in the address bar, enabling easy website access by scanning a QR code. The browser facilitates simplified page printing, removing clutter such as buttons, ads, and background images, enhancing readability and saving on paper and ink. Web push notifications allows websites to send you alerts about new messages or updates while Waterfox is open. Windows SSO enables logging into Microsoft, work, and educational profiles using Windows 10 or 11 credentials. Now let's take a closer look at the Waterfox interface. To open a new tab, click the plus button. Right-click on a tab to pin, duplicate, or perform other actions. Click the menu button, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, to access additional features. Here's what you'll find in the menu. Bookmarks. Organize and save your favorite websites for quick access. Downloads. View and manage your downloaded files. History. Access your browsing history. And passwords. Manage saved passwords, which are encrypted for security. This section also alerts you to data breaches and helps sync passwords across devices. Under Settings, you can customize your browsing experience. In the General section, import data from other browsers, configure tab behavior, select language and interface themes, and manage downloads and files. To avoid blocks while using the browser, configure your proxy in this section. Instructions for setting up a proxy can be found in the on-screen annotations. The Tabs sidebar allows you to configure the display of tabs in a tree view, auto-organize the tabs tree, and ensure tabs stick to the edges of the tab bar when scrolled out. The Home section lets you customize what displays when opening the main page, new windows, and tabs. The Search section helps you set the default search engine, display search engine suggestions, suggestions in the address bar, and alternate search engines that appear when entering keywords. The Privacy and Security section is for configuring tracking protection, blocking malicious scripts, managing WebRTC, HTTP referrer header, site privacy, cookies, site permissions, and enabling DNS over HTTPS for privacy. The Sync section enables you to synchronize bookmarks, history, tabs, passwords, extensions, and settings across all your devices. The Look and Feel section allows you to customize the theme, appearance, icons, fonts, animations, and other interface components. Waterfox offers convenient tools for content handling and browser customization. Users can export bookmarks for use in other browsers, and the Reader View feature ensures comfortable reading by removing unnecessary elements like buttons, ads, background images, and videos, and allows you to adjust the layout to your needs. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.